I'm Maxine Marquez from Section 5B, and I'm going to explain about the four major components of a normally aspirated system. And to fully understand the functions is I'm going to use a diagram to explain it properly.
So now I'm going to explain on how the normally aspirated induction works. So actually the supply of air is depending on the atmospheric pressure, and they are not using turbochargers or superchargers just to pump air going through the induction system. So the normally aspirated induction has four major components, and that are the air intake, air filter, fuel delivery system, and an induction manifold. So later on, I am going to explain about the function of four major components in normally aspirated induction. So while the aircraft is moving, the air will enter to the air intake duct and it will flow from the induction system until it reaches to the cylinders for combustion. And that is how um, normally aspirated induction works or operates. So there are subsystems to support the operation of the four primary components, and that are the ice removal or prevention system, alternate air source, and temperature indicating system. So now I'm going to explain about the different functions of four major components in normally aspirated induction. So the first one is the air intake or air scoop, or also known as air scoop. So as you can see here in our diagram, this is the air intake. And as I explained a while ago on how the normally aspirated induction operates, while the aircraft is moving, the air will enter to the air intake duct. So this is the air intake. And when the air, and this is the air, it will go, it will enter to the air intake duct. So it is used to direct outside air to the carburetor or other fuel metering devices.